As usual, there is a great woman behind every idiot. Almost all women seek to remake men, and when they succeed, they lose the interest in them. Being a woman is a terribly difficult trade, since it consists principally of dealing with men. Little girls with dreams become women with a vision. Maybe some women aren't meant to be tamed. Maybe they just need to run free until they fence a own, just as Wilto run with them. Men mourn for what they have lost, women for what they ain't got. The fastest way to change society is to mobilize the women of the world. The most beautiful makeup of a woman is passion, but cosmetics are easier to buy. Some women become the men they wanted to marry. I don't know who invented high heels, but all women owe him a lot. If women didn't exist, all the money in the world would have no meaning. Men are taught to apologize for their weaknesses, women for their strengths. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. The trouble with life is that there are so many beautiful women and so little time. When men are oppressed, it's a tragedy. When women are oppressed, it's a tradition. Women are the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. The hardest years in a woman's life are those between 10 and 70. From love for a woman was born everything beautiful on earth. Almond told me that for a woman, I was very opinionated. I said, Freeman, you're a kind of ignorant. Women like silent men. They think they are listening. When the candles are out, all women are fair. The trouble with some women is that they get all excited about nothing and then marry him. Trying to be a man is a waste of a woman. Women are the real architects of society. The first time Adam had a change, he laid Theblam on a woman. The woman who wants with you, she always tells you these two things. She keeps praises you for your life, and she tells you that she is looking. You don't have to bantai man to bepro woman.